Hey guys, it is Monday morning. It's a bank holiday, so nobody's working. It's about 10:15 and I am on my way to see Maria to take some photos in Bath. Standard. But I'm starting another weekly vlog. So I thought I started today on a bank holiday and show you me trying to prep some Instagram photos because I need to take some of my own as well. I'm currently walking to the train station. Fingers crossed I make my train. Hello. Okay, now we are planning for our trip to Paris. We've literally just booked the hotel and now we're sort of planning out. We're there for 3 days. We're there for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And let me show you. We're looking at all these different places. Oh my, wait, what is that one? We're trying to figure out what to do each day. And this Maria is literally the best planner. So many little dots. That is unreal. But yeah, this one. We're currently looking up Angelina. Apparently it's very expensive. Famous for chocolate. Oh my god. The paintings inside are gorgeous. This is a little experiment I did to see if I could make one of those reels you see on Instagram. I'm pretty chuffed with it, not gonna lie. Morning! It is the next day. I'm getting ready for work, but I was gonna fill up my little vitamin holder and I just thought I would show you guys what vitamins I've been using. I'm not very consistent at all on vitamins. So like, basically I'm not the best judge right now, but my plan is to just take them like relentlessly during the summer, I think. So this first one that I use is Skin, Hair and Nails. I got this from Holland & Barrett. It's their own brand one and it's basically like a massive multivitamin. So I take one of those a day. These honestly are the hardest to swallow. They're like that big, which is ridiculous. I'm just laying them all out in my little pill holder thing. Okay, next one I use is cranberry extract with vitamins C and E. But yeah, I just feel more put together when I'm taking vitamins in the morning. Like, but it's such a like habit to get into. I don't know, I just fail. Mostly, I'm not gonna lie, when I get my vitamins, I normally just go to Boots, which if you're American, that's like a CVS, and I just get the basic stuff. I'm not getting like too crazy with the vitamins and stuff. I know you can get some like really like higher quality stuff, but honestly I'm not gonna start getting all uppity about high quality when I can't even take them like consistently for a few months, you know. That one I just did is, this is actually Sainsbury's own brand multivitamins and iron 1-a-day tablets. And then this next one is omega-3. I take this like for joints pretty much and like eyesight and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pop out 7 of those. Okay, so I'm just putting them back in this little caddy that I keep by my bed. I'm gonna pop it all closed. So that's ready to go from tomorrow, but I just grabbed a bunch of them here. Oh, ooh, I don't know why I can't do them. Anyway, I already feel more productive just taking some vitamins, honestly. But hopefully over the summer you'll see, maybe I'll be able to track a bit of a change. I don't know, it might all be placebo, but I think like at least omega-3 is definitely like legit. We'll see. Okay, so I didn't intro this, but the next day I ended up going thrifting to one of the high streets in my city and I found some good stuff. I'm currently editing a video of all the stuff that I got, so stay tuned for that. And then I did something I've been procrastinating for ages, which was washing my car. Okay, so it is, excuse the camera angle, I don't know where my tripod is. So in the spirit of trying to be healthy and getting a summer body, I'm going to go to the gym. I haven't been in a while and I'm going on my own. So I think I'll just do a leg day, honestly. I think I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to go to Primark to try and find some dresses, like nice maxi dresses. So I'll do a haul after if I manage to find anything, but you never know. Anyway, so I'm gonna get my ass to the gym, basically. Okay guys, I got home from the gym. This is the dress I got for like lounging around. It is long, hang on. It goes all the way down to my ankles. I'm obsessed with it. It's great. It's a little bit like, it's a little bit see-through, so it's definitely like a lounging around the house top more than anything. But it might also be a bit of a beach one as well, because I don't know, like, I think you could wear it over a bikini and it would be fine, but I don't know. This one from Primark is like £14. Just check when you're in the change room, because I discovered that mine was see-through only when I got home. But yeah, this is my little dress haul. Okay, I'm about to tick something off my list that I was the most scared about. Okay, so one of the things that I wanted to do this summer was get myself a new camera, which I've managed to save up for somehow, but the idea of actually getting it is like kind of freaking me out. I'm on my computer, like I have it up on the page now and I can't quite get myself to do it. But the last week I've always been like this close to getting it, and I just saw like, it's just, I have to see it as just like an investment in my future. Like, I love making YouTube videos. I've been doing it for almost a year and I haven't invested any money into it, only time. So this is kind of my first big investment into my YouTube channel. I'm getting a camera because I'm always filming on my phone and my phone is starting to like wear out. Like, it has to be plugged in at all times. It's really awful. And my other camera is too clunky to like vlog with out and about. It's great for like a sit down video, but I can't like take it out and about. And like this summer I want to be able to vlog outside as well. So I don't know if I'm just making it make sense in my head or if it does actually make sense to get a new camera, but I think I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I just did it. I'm gonna go collect it from Sainsbury's tomorrow morning, which I'm gonna vlog, obviously. Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen one of these cameras. Like, I've never tested them out. I don't know if I'm gonna need to buy like a microphone accessory and anything, but this is so weird. So this should, in theory, be one of the last clips where it's using my front phone camera. That would be really cool. Anyway, so fingers crossed that like it arrives okay and I can actually film on it and you guys can hear me. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did that. Good morning. Today is the day. I'm just making myself a little coffee. I haven't had any confirmation that the camera's actually in the store yet, but I don't know. I might call them while I'm walking down and just check. I don't know. So yeah, I'm about to go collect the camera. I'm very nervous. I'm mostly nervous that there'll be like something wrong with it, or like that I haven't ordered something that I need to, like a microphone or something like that. So yeah, I'm a bit nervous. Maybe I shouldn't be having coffee. I don't know. Okay, right, I'm gonna open this. So I got the PowerShot G7 X Mark II because the Mark III was like a couple £100 more expensive, and I just feel like I needed the like absolute newest one. This one that I got comes with a little tripod, which is perfect because tripods are actually kind of expensive and I didn't really want to have a really nice new camera on a crappy tripod. It's actually heavier than I was expecting. Okay, so this looks like the charging thing. This is so weird because this is what it feels like to open stuff at work, because I work in the camera department, so I don't know, I'm like, my brain is like, oh yeah, you're at work, you're just opening up a camera, and then I'm like, wait, this is my camera. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. So this is where the battery goes. I might need to charge it up before I use it, we'll see. There's a charger. These batteries are tiny. I'm definitely gonna need to get some more of those. 100%. Okay, so the one I got came with a Gorilla Pod, which I'm just opening now. These ones are cool. I've never used one of these, but I have seen them, like we use them with GoPros at work sometimes. I'm not sure this exact brand, probably though. They're a bit unwieldy. Now, I know the trend online was everyone was getting these on TikTok to take photos. I don't actually think I'm going to use it for photos that much, but I might do a vlog of like seeing how many Instagram photos I can take in one day. That would be pretty interesting actually, because I don't know, like every other person on the planet, when you're at work, you can't really be taking Instagram photos, but if you're supposed to upload all the time, you kind of have to like batch take content. So I might have a go at that. It looks like it's got a Bluetooth thing as well, which could be so useful. I should probably read the instructions. One thing ticked off my bucket list. It feels good to have it, like, scary because it's like quite a big commitment, but like I am super chuffed that I'm actually like holding one that I bought with my own money, and I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna lie, as soon as that battery's charged up, I'm probably gonna spend the rest of the afternoon filming YouTube videos, so I'm gonna get as much housework as I can done before that happens, and I will see you guys when that battery is charged up. I will probably just start filming straight on that camera. Okay, quickly, while I'm waiting for it to charge, while I'm waiting for those batteries to charge, I realized that I hadn't shown you guys any of the stuff that's happening in my garden recently. So I'm going to show you really quickly because it is not super interesting. This is a bunch of just general herbs that I've been trying to grow. These are some flowers. I don't remember exactly what kind of flower they are, but they're all doing pretty well, so I can't be mad. This is a tomato plant that absolutely got ravaged by a snail, I think. This is where we have the most going on. Loads of sunflowers, lettuce, tomatoes. That's a peony. Even more sunflowers, and this is a fallen soldier who got eaten by a snail. Here we have some more sunflowers. These ones are growing pretty well. I think they're getting like the most sun. And then I've got a bit of a lavender bush down here, and these eventually I think are going to become wildflowers, but they're not looking like super great at the moment, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of a fail at the moment. Okay, all right, okay guys, this is the new camera. This is how it looks. It's okay. One of the main things that made me want to get this camera was how good it was in low light, and I cannot stress how good this camera is in low light. Like, this is my living room. It is not this bright in real life, I'm telling you. Like, I live underground in a basement flat, and I swear we get like almost no natural light. Look, I'll show you in this like dark corridor that leads into another part of my flat. Like, this is unreal. It's definitely not this bright light quality is. It's just, it's amazing. It's gonna be such a lifesaver, like I can tell already. Yeah, but it's great. I don't know how the audio is yet. I might end up getting like an external mic if it's really bad, but I mean, fingers crossed that it's like okay. Ooh, here's the zoom. Ooh, very fancy. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna finish up. I have a charity shop haul video that I need to finish up some clips for, so I'll probably get straight onto that. I just can't get over how nice this camera is. Like, it makes everything look so like nice and bright, which is not what I'm used to. But yeah, so 10 out of 10 for this camera so far. I'm loving it. Ignore my chip nail varnish. Yeah, so I mean, if I could ever stop looking at myself in the tiny screen, that would be great. Anyway, this is how all my videos will be coming out from now on. So, but yeah, I'm also gonna try filming TikToks on this, so that should be interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna review this footage and make sure it's all okay with the autofocus. You guys know my issues with focus have not been great. But yeah, I'm gonna review this footage. Otherwise though, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna start my next weekly vlog with a whole new camera, just so all the footage is like cohesive and makes sense. But yeah, you guys, let me know how your summer prep is going, and I will otherwise see you guys in the next one. Bye.